my gosh. I swear no one was doing lawn work up until I decided to pull out my camera right now. Today is Thursday. Guys, it has just been so slow at work for me for my day job, and I'm just the type of person that really needs to keep myself busy. I need to be productive. I need to be doing something that is contributing to my goals, my future, my passion, and right now it is just so slow. So I wanted to make something out of today instead of just sitting at home waiting for emails. I decided to do another vlog with you guys and take you with me. I do have to run a handful of errands, and I am potentially maybe getting a new camera for YouTube. If I do get it, I would love for you to see the unboxing and the camera difference in the quality. So I want to test out the camera, like kind of take it out here in town in San Clemente, take it down by the beach, take some photos and some videos and see how that turns out. I'm making sure today is a productive day. Actually, I'm very happy with the camera I'm using now. It's the Canon G7X Mark II, but the reason I am looking into getting a new camera is because I want to use it for my anime swimwear photo shoot. I do have an actual professional photography session scheduled for the initial launch, but after that I don't want to have to keep scheduling photos with photographers. I'd rather be able to take things into my own hand, and I just really want a mirrorless camera that I can swap out lenses, use for both YouTube and for taking professional pictures. By no means am I a professional photographer. I do have a vision, and I always know how to create that vision when I have it. My photo shoot for the inventory probably won't be until like March or April, which is a solid 2 months away, but I want to get a good feel for the camera because it took me a while to get used to the settings for the Canon G7X. Also, this weekend is Valentine's Day, but I'll be celebrating it with my best friends because, as you know, your girl is single. So on Saturday, I'm having dinner with my 2 best friends. So we're just going to come to my place, have some drinks, and then go out for dinner. And then on Sunday, I am having a DIY picnic with some champagne and cake and charcuterie board with one of my best friends we met through work. I am super excited. I'll make sure to just vlog these next upcoming days. Okay, so I am all dressed. This is the fit for the day. Very basic. I've probably worn this shirt like 5 times this week already. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of feeling myself today. I feel cute. I feel cute. Probably just wear white sneakers as per usual. You guys, look at that face. She makes this sad face whenever she knows I'm leaving. Baby, I'm sorry. You know I always come back. You know I always come back. A double espresso and a tall cup with extra ice. And then could I get it with 3 pumps of vanilla and half, and that'll be it. I secured the coffee, just 2 espresso shots. I haven't had a Starbucks in this whole week, which I'm so proud of. This is my first Starbucks, which is highly unusual for me. I can't believe I got the camera. I got the Canon EOS M50, and the sales rep was super nice. Made me feel so much better about my purchase, and I'm just really excited to plug the battery in and use it later today. Okay, let's unbox this bad boy. Hi Sophie. Hi Sophie, are you so happy I'm home? Okay, the lighting is really nice today. Right? Sophie is just like wanting so much attention right now. 1 second, bud. 1 second. Sorry. An SD card, another one, because you can never have too many SD cards for memory. Okay. Here she is, the Canon EOS M50. So again, the main reason I wanted this camera was I wanted a camera that would do well with both video and for photography. Not any like crazy professional photography, but one that I could use for anime swimwear in the near future. And I really like that this one, you could get an adapter and then change the lenses, but I could get used to it with just the kit lens. And the guy who was working at the front desk was like, you're on the right track, this will be the perfect camera for you. So I was also looking at the Sony Alpha 6400, and that one was just way too advanced for me. So he said, especially since I already have the Canon G7X, that this would be a perfect transition to a little bit more. I'm really happy it came with this little strap because I have dropped this camera a handful of times, so I need this strap for sure. Okay, oh my goodness. I love that it's not super chunky too, like the DSLR cameras. I don't like really big cameras. So I got the black one. I really liked the white body, but I thought it would be weird if I were to switch lenses in the future and it would be the white body with the black lens. So I did stick with the black body, and it is just the perfect size for me. It is like not too much bigger than the Canon G7X. So there it is. The battery, the battery charger, and the lens. And I'm really sad there's not an extra battery. Well, I'm gonna have to buy another battery because I like to swap the batteries as I'm using them. So this is the lens. Let me put the battery in first and see if it even works or turns on. I'm sure it's dead. So one thing that I really like about this is the viewfinder, not the viewfinder, the screen pops out this way and you can twist it. You can twist it, right? Okay, there it goes. So you can either vlog and see yourself in the camera, or you can turn it while you're taking pictures and see it that way as well. And I like that when you close it, it protects it. Okay, this battery is a lot bigger than my Canon G7X. This off. Ooh, I'm so excited. Like, I don't think you guys know, I have been eyeballing this camera for like the last few months. Okay, so I have the Canon G7X right here in front of me. And then let me try to put this in a similar spot. And now I'm looking at the Canon EOS M50, and it's really weird because the Canon G7X screen flips up and this one flips out to the side. So I don't want to catch myself looking at like the screen on the right hand side. Anyway, I really wonder if there's a big difference. I'm excited to see if there's a difference. But just so you can see, this is my current setup. I have my Canon G7X just propped up here on this jar. So, and then you guys are looking at me right now through there. Okay, so I just took a few photos of Sophie on this camera. She's so cute. She's like, what is going on? And they came out pretty sharp, at least from what I can see on the little screen here. And for video recording, I actually have it on the neutral setting, which is kind of my favorite. I'm kind of wanting to take this out near the beach. I am a bit nervous to see how this footage comes out. Okay, so I switched up my outfit just a little bit. I didn't really want to wear like tennis shoes if I'm going down by like the sand. So yeah, I put on these bad boys that I whipped out of nowhere. I've had these since like college. And then I don't know, I found this belt in my closet and I was like, that's kind of a vibe, so let's go with it. So I'm gonna take this little, oh, what's that on your mouth? I'm gonna take this little girl and we're gonna go down by the beach and take some videos and some pictures and just see how this camera looks. friends. So I had the pleasure of editing and uploading everything to my MacBook as far as the footage goes for the Canon EOS M50. One thing I do want to make note of is yesterday I really did focus a lot more on stills in photography yesterday. So as I was looking back, I was like, oh my goodness, I really didn't do a lot of video on this camera. I mostly took photos and I played around with a lot of the photo settings more. I would love your honest opinion. Leave a comment down below what you think of the photos, what you think of the videos, or even this video I'm filming on the camera right now. I would love to play around with the video settings a bit more, maybe try shooting in the 4K mode, just playing around with the different profiles and settings. I won't dive into the details of the settings of the camera, otherwise this would be a very long video. I just kind of wanted to do a comparison to my old camera. I'll definitely still be using the Canon G7X when it comes to traveling and having a lighter weight camera. That camera is still super awesome, but I personally feel like the video on this one is an upgrade and I love how the photos turned out. Yeah, I had so much fun making this video. I can't wait to read your guys' comments, and if you aren't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos every single week. And until next time, I will see you all in another video soon. Bye!